working in legal practice and received a law transcript file from CaseMap. These contain deposition and trial transcripts integrated with case management. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and work with these CaseMap transcript files. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common LAW Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. A user with a .law file is almost certainly a legal professional trying to open a court transcript or deposition within CaseMap or a compatible e-discovery tool. This file format is specifically designed to import pre-formatted legal transcripts for review, annotation, and critical case analysis. The .law format is a structured text file, often generated by court reporting software like LiveNote. It was designed to be easily parsed by legal software, containing not just the transcript text but also essential metadata like page and line numbers, ensuring its integrity as a legal record and facilitating citation. It is standard practice to open the LAW format using the designated CaseMap by LexisNexis. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows offers limited visibility into complex documents, so proper editing requires dedicated software. Initiate the compatibility test by right-clicking your LAW file and selecting Open With. If CaseMap is on your PC, test it. If not, select another program from the list and see if it works. If the LAW file won't budge, stay calm. The stubbornness of the file suggests a specific weak spot. Let's test these common failure points immediately to see where the problem is originating. First, opening in CaseMap. Launch CaseMap and open the case database associated with the law file. Use the transcripts feature to import or open the law file which appears in the transcripts list. Click to open, and the transcript displays with full annotation capabilities, including issue tagging, fact extraction, and witness testimony cross-referencing. Next, using TranscriptPad or similar. For viewing without CaseMap, try TranscriptPad on iPad, which supports various legal transcript formats. Convert the law file to a more universal format such as TXT or PDF if direct compatibility is unavailable. Many legal transcript management tools provide import filters for common formats, including those used by CaseMap. Finally, exporting to standard formats. Within CaseMap, export transcripts to PDF, Word, or plain text format for sharing with team members or opposing counsel without CaseMap software. Use the export function, which preserves transcript formatting, page line numbering, and speaker identification. The exported files maintain readability for legal proceedings while losing CaseMap-specific annotations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.